Hi, my name's Giuffria. I am an actress. That's what I do for my job. And with my schedule, it's incredibly busy. I travel a lot. I'm always going different places. I never know when I'm going. I never know, what kind of job it's going to be. And sometimes I get in really tight situations where I need something to come through really quickly with a prosthesis. There's been times where I either needed a repair or I had a question or whether my prosthesis could or couldn't do something, especially if it's a question on set from a director. And it's been absolutely amazing to be able to have that kind of contact with my prosthetist to find out, what I can do with my device, how I can fix my device, and how I can make it better for my job. And for me, it's really made my life a lot easier and more comfortable. So I've been an arm dynamics patient now for several years, and my job and what I've been doing has changed a lot over that time. So I'm glad that I've been able to grow and arm dynamics has grown with me. I think one of my favorite times of being able to have a virtual appointment with my prosthetist was when I booked a Super Bowl commercial several years ago. And in the commercial, I had to do archery, which is an activity that I've done before. I actually wear an activity device that I got through Arm Dynamics that has helped me with that. But in this commercial, they wanted me to shoot the bow and arrow using my prosthesis, which typically I draw the bow with my sound side. But of course, for the commercial magic, we're going to do the other way around, which was great. Uh, but I wasn't exactly sure how to do it. So I ended up doing some video conferencing with my team at Arm Dynamics to figure out how and what was the best way to do this. And then I was on set, and there's actually some clevis links in the bottom of this hand that prevent damage if they break to the motors. And I was on set and I was doing this way of archery that I hadn't done before. And I ended up causing some damage to the hand that needed to be repaired before I could finish. So I was able to contact my prosthetist using a video call, and he was able to walk me through this repair that we did before I could go back to set and shoot. I'm so glad that I was able to do that, because the stress on set of having something break or having, things not go as planned can get really exacerbated when, your body part is not exactly functioning the same way as every other actor there. I've never lived close to my Arm Dynamics Center, so I've always had to drive or fly or things like that, which either way, I knew that my care was the most important thing. So it was important to me to do that. But for even people that live close now, I think it's incredibly important that they have the ability to video conference and call just for everyone's safety and health. I think it's great that you have the ability to do that and not have a gap in your prosthetic care and still feel like you're getting the care that you need.